Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by. And if you are a subscriber, thanks for sticking with me and coming back. We are talking about Black-owned beauty brands, and this is the second video in this series. And today we're trying out some products from Uoma Beauty and from Bonsu Beauty. And this is also a collab with Just London.
Hey Diva, thank you so much for collaborating with me during Black History Month using black owned products. I know you got this look on lock. Can't wait to see it. And you know what? Just tell them to roll that beautiful baked bean footage.
So be sure to check out her video to learn more about her favorite Black-owned beauty products. You're probably going to discover some that you haven't tried out before. I always check out her channel when I'm on the hunt for new products that I haven't heard about, and she always delivers. So make sure that you go watch that video. So let's just get right on into it. My base is laid down. I went in with the Danessa Myricks Vision Cream and the Color Fix Matte Color as a cream blush. And if you missed my last video, make sure you check that out because Danessa has some really fantastic items in her makeup collection and you need them in your collection. We're using the Uoma Double Take Sculpt and Strobe Stick, and I got the shade Brown Sugar. I did swatch this, and I know this is going to give me a more dramatic contour than the Danessa Myricks Contour Balm I tried a couple videos ago, so I feel like this is more for like a full glam look for me. And this highlight shade I think is really perfect for my skin tone. It's that nice gold warm sort of highlight shade that I really gravitate towards, so I think I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this. So I'm just going to apply the stick on the areas where I normally contour, and then I'm going to blend it out with a brush. This goes on really creamy and smooth. It feels like it's going to blend with no issues. I'm going in with the Sigma Air Domed Buffer, and we're just going to buff this out. It's moving around nicely. I don't feel like it's getting muddy, and while it is a little darker than a contour shade I would normally use, like I could go down a shade and I think it would be like sort of what I'm used to using, but I don't think that it looks too dramatic. I think that looks good. And the pigment is still there after blending it out. Like you can see it's blended, it's less dramatic, but there's still some pigment there. So let's do the rest. I'm not doing my nose right now because I like to do my nose after my concealer. And I was worried about blending this, but like I don't have to use a lot of pressure to move it around and blend it out. And there were a lot of reviews that said that people were finding it hard to blend. So I don't know if maybe the type of brush you use has an impact on that, but like, I'm not having any issues with this. Even on my chin, just tapping it is blending it out. So this is good. I'm going to take whatever's left on the brush and just go along my jawline just for that added contour. So now we're going to use the highlight end of the stick, and I really like to do this just on my cheekbones and a little bit under my chin. So let's go ahead and swipe this on. It's a really nice highlight color. It's really pretty. And I'm just going to tap this in with my finger instead of blending it out with a brush. And this formula is like, it just melts. Like it's just melting into my skin and into the foundation. It's not just laying on top. And I did read on their website that this is formulated with ingredients that are supposed to help hydrate your skin, and I definitely feel like that's what this gives. Like it's like a moisturized glow. I'm gonna add just a little bit more and see if we can amp up this glow. I definitely feel like this highlighter is perfect for like a more natural sort of lift and glow. Like if you were doing a light makeup day and you wanted to just go in with the foundation, add a little bit of cream blush, do your contour and your highlight, and then just set it, you would be good to go. But it's not that like super like gleaming highlight glow. But I don't think every product has to be that way. And I do like that this makes your skin look healthy and hydrated, and like, you know, you've been drinking your water and doing your 85-step skincare routine every single day. So now I'm gonna finish my face and do my eyes, and we've got some lashes and lipstick to try after that's all done. You guys ever do your makeup and then it just comes together and you're just like, yes. That's how I feel about this look. Like, I feel like it just came together so nicely. If you want details on this eye, you got to check out one of my last videos because I talked all about it. But I think the glow from that highlighter stick is just, and the foundation with the eye. I love this look. Like, I didn't know where I was going with it, but like, okay, we are doing lashes now, and these lashes are from Uoma Bonsu. She is a beauty content creator and influencer, and she has her own lash collection. So I supported and I wanted to share them, of course, since we're talking Black owned beauty. I picked up the styles Togo. This is Togo here. Like, we got a lot of fluff action going with these ones. The packaging, by the way, is just gorgeous. I love how the names are on either side. And the colors are gorgeous. We've got Give Them, another gorgeous fluffy lash, and Burkina Faso. I mean, all of these lashes are just beautiful. They're handmade and they are 3D. According to the box, you can get up to 20 wears out of these lashes with proper care, and they're only $10. So I think that these are really good quality for the price point, especially since, you know, you can spend 25, $30 for lashes of this quality. And especially with quality packaging like this, I love that you can just slide the drawer out. You don't have to worry about like opening it up and all the other stuff, and you can see what's in here. So we're gonna try Give Them because they kind of have more volume on the end, and I think that they'll look really nice with this look. So to see if a lash fits, before I put any glue on it, I just like to lay it down on my lash line and see kind of how it's laying there, forming, like where it'll kind of settle, and then I'll cut if needed. You can see I'm definitely gonna need to cut this because, I mean, it's basically like all the way across, and I don't want that. So I think I'm gonna cut off, I'm not gonna cut off a lot. You don't want to cut off too much and then regret it. And you always, always, always want to cut off from the outer end. So do not cut the inside piece. You want to cut the piece that's going to be out here. So I'm going to cut, let's see, about that much. So this is how much I took off, and hopefully they fit okay with that. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's a good fit. I think that's gonna fit well. And to make sure both ends match, I usually just hold up the piece that I cut off to the other lash so I can see about how much I want to take off and then cut. We're gonna get these on, and I'm using my Duo Lash Glue, which you guys know is basically all I use, so we can complete this look. These lashes are beautiful. Like, they don't feel heavy at all. So despite, like, you know, the drama that they're giving, they don't feel like they're weighing my eye down at all. And I love like the fluff that you can see to the side. I mean, you can definitely see like here versus here. All right, we're gonna put the other one on. This band is pretty flexible, so these are pretty easy to work with when you're putting them on. I'm loving these. I cannot wait to use these more and to try out the other two. So be sure to check these out. $10, you can't beat it. I mean, to finish off this look, we're going back to Uoma Beauty and their lip liner and matte lipstick combo. This lip liner is in the shade Simone. And the packaging is just, you see the message. You see the message. And Simone is like a nice, like perfect brown shade. I could see using this all the time. It's just one of those browns that you need. Everybody needs it. And another message on the lipstick that we're loving. If you've been here before, you know I love packaging. So the packaging on this is just beyond. And this is the shade Aretha. And this is another shade that I feel like works for everyone. Everyone can use. And I really like that the cap is magnetic. So when you close it, that click is just so satisfying. So let's get this on to complete this look. This lip liner is so creamy. It glides on very, very easily. It's not tugging, at your lip at all. And the shade is just, it's like the perfect brown. The perfect brown. I can see myself definitely picking this up again when I run out, because I'm going to run out, because I'm going to be using this all the time now. All right, let's go in with Aretha. This brown is so pretty. It's like, it's nude without being too nude, and it doesn't feel dry at all. Like, it feels like, regular moisturizing lipstick, but with that matte finish. I love it. Like, I can definitely see this being in heavy rotation. You know what? I'm going to top it off with another Black owned product, my favorite, Pat McGrath gloss, because I feel like that's just really going to bring it to the next level. And this is Flesh Fantasy, which is my all-time favorite gloss. Well, favorite nude gloss. Finito. I mean, what more could you want? What more could you want? All of these products perform so well. So of course, this is the final look. I really enjoyed using all of these products from Black owned beauty brands that I have not tried before. Let me know if you've tried out any of these products or if you plan to pick them up. Let's chat about it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join the beauty community. You will absolutely love it here. And turn on that notification bell so you can be first to know when there is a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.